1. Set clear goals. Define your fitness goals and create a plan to achieve them. This could include gaining muscle mass, increasing strength, or improving overall fitness levels. 2. Follow a customized workout plan. Consult with a fitness professional to create a personalized workout plan that targets your specific goals and body type. Focus on compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, bench press, and pull-ups to build muscle mass efficiently. 3. Increase caloric intake. To gain muscle mass, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. Aim for a caloric surplus by incorporating nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats into your diet. 4. Prioritize protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Aim to consume at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to support muscle development. 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to transforming your physique. Stick to your workout routine and nutrition plan consistently to see results over time. 6. Get sufficient rest and recovery. Adequate rest is crucial for muscle growth. Make sure to prioritize sleep as well as rest days in your workout. Schedule to allow your muscles to recover and grow. 7. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for overall health and optimal muscle function. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day to stay hydrated and support muscle growth. 8. Track your progress. Keep track of your workouts, nutrition, and progress over time. This will help you monitor your results and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. 9. Incorporate supplements wisely, while not necessary. Some supplements can support your muscle building goals. Consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any supplements into your routine. 10. Stay motivated and consistent. Building muscle takes time and dedication. Stay motivated by setting small, achievable goals along the way and celebrating your progress. Consistency is key to reaching your goal of going from skinny to jacked.